Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Siti Isa. Grade 10 is absent 13 language. So the story of Muhammad, the prophet, the fashion development in the world from every 4 years, divorced various civilizations in the world of the Quran nearly 1400 years ago. The angel Gabriel came to Muhammad by giving revelation that Muhammad must give to all his people spend the rest of his life communication God's music and giving an example of how very human being must live to the many Americans associate Islam with images of violence and hatred, but such canons are the work of several suicidal fanatics who teach the teachings of Muhammad. To conclude, the prophet is a person who does not like the prophet of Islam without the main aspect is religions. Thank you.